I painted this painting led by an inspiration of a painting by Raphael called Sistine Madonna. In the bottom of Raphael's painting, Sistine Madonna, there are two cherubim, two little kids, two messengers of God, angels in the shape of children or animals. But I decided to put roller coasters on their feet, so they would be more able to descend from the sky to the earth. Later, I started thinking what could also this deity be doing, and I decided that it is blowing out universes from its mouth. With every breath it takes, it breathes out universes, and later we are going to another painting to see those yellow universes in the shape of tennis balls. Now we are here by a painting in which the figure from Raphael's inspired painting became a multifigural experience with the very Velázquezian figure holding a flag. But here she is not surrendering the city. She has, with this flag, an ability to teleport anywhere. And here they are in a landscape that leads to Yas beach in Montenegro, Budva. This painting is called Storyteller. It's an auto-portrait of me. As you can hear, I'm a storyteller too. In this painting, I try to show different sides of myself. Here you can see a repeating motif, sip, sis, sip, which is also located here. It is a lost soul painting, which I tried to repaint and catch my own mastery in my hands, in the shape of a feather. Because I believe that painting has to be strict, but at the same time very loose, fluid, and relaxed. This painting was painted inspired by a photograph of Arthur Elbert. Inspired by Arthur Elbert's photograph, I was led by the idea and the movement of drinking movement. I attached this movement to old times, approximately 1,000, 2,000 years ago, when people used to drink from horns. They would go on a hunt, they would acquire the horn by killing the beast, and later they would drink with their tribe from the horn. Some of them, hunter-gatherers, would even be able to blow on the horn and make a tremendous sound. This painting is also talking about the construction of a city, the different dynamics of social interactions that can happen through just making a tremendous sound or a vibration. By the way, I wanted to say that this painting was made from a photograph that was taken by me personally in Montenegro, Budva, near Yas beach. And I think it is very interesting that here is this structure for building houses. And my exhibition also, the start was inspired by the jubilee of Vilnius and its birthday of 700 years. Happy birthday, Vilnius. Here we go again. We stand next to a painting where I tried to personify milk drops in the shape of dancers. And an interesting thought, what is the sound that I wonder how a milk drop sounds as a musical instrument. It is a peculiar and immensely impossible idea to accomplish. And I try to go backward and forward and listen what it could be. And now I want to show you with what this painting started. What was the first painting that I made, and this followed much later. In this painting, I'm studying a basic anatomy of a figure, which is a Lithuanian athlete. My eye was struck by the similarity to a vision I saw of an archeress, a woman with a bow and with an arrow descending from the sky. Her head downward and her feet up. And it reminded me of a possibility of a devil, of a deity beyond human imagination. And here I put a drum underneath this being and asking myself a question: what would be the sound if the drum is touched by someone that has the ability of flight? Now we are standing by a painting called Atlas Ox. I place myself on the top of a holy hand grenade, which is written about in the Bible, and the Bible tells that this grenade, shaped in a pear or an apple, can demolish enemies into small pieces. Here I placed myself in the shape of a human, but I made my hands seem like horns of an ox. So this story connects to our civilization's ability to grow cattle and to be able to flourish and nourish our society from inside out. And it's also a leap of faith into the dynamics of social interactions and what is possible in the city. And when city starts to get boring by its social rankings and what is the most important in the party, then I advise you as a lawyer to go to the garden. After being in the city so long, I tried to compose a meditationary garden for myself, where I am thinking about the ability of human flight in its all laws of physics and fuel consumption. Here I placed Nefertiti as a portal to the winds, to the golden winds of Egypt. And the second figure is a blessing in disguise that was found in a movie called The Garden. And I recommend everyone to watch movie Jarada, The Garden, 1995. This was TadasTruchill, and I wish you happy year and happy coming year till this day. We are here in Apa Gallery in Vilnius, and we are happy and blessed. Stay blessed. True love.